everybody. I'm back again here with a live video. You know who's going to share space with me here? Shivani. Hi, Shivani. Shivani will join us soon. Shivani, send me an ad request, please. I don't know. We are connecting with Shivani. Soon she's going to be here.
Hi.
Hi, Shivani.
Hi.
Congratulations, first of
Hi.
all.
Thank you so much.
Hi.
Hi, Vikram.
Hi. Hi, Vikram. Kopal this side.
Me too.
I was actually shocked and I loved it, whatever you've done, whatever you guys have done. I don't know what all plannings you did, what arrangements you did, but hats off.
Thank you
Thank
so
you
much.
so much. The planning part was not that excruciating of a pain, but getting the permission was.
Yeah. So what
It
was
was
the whole process like? I mean, what did you guys do and when did you actually plan it that you are gonna get married on this day specifically?
We were supposed to get married on the 15th of
15th.
April,
Okay.
and that did not happen. Somebody told us that there's an application called Rajcorp.
Okay.
Um, so I sort of applied for the marriage, and I uploaded all the documents which were required for the same.
Okay.
But apparently it got rejected. I I was a little disheartened. I thought maybe this is not going to get through anyways.
Hmm.
So then I spoke to a lot of people, and they said probably you should go to the collector and get it done in the collector office, which is again a little risky
Dude.
because a
मैं सुन
lot
के
of
ही सोच रही हूँ कि इतना हार्ड वर्क इतना एफर्ट ओ माय गॉड मैन
no, he did all the hard work, I think.
that's
He did all
really
the hard
sweet
work. He did
man
all the brave work.
I kept seeing your posts every day and suddenly this day comes when you are
हाँ
all married I mean obviously
क्योंकि
since
मैंने
you
कुछ
yeah
भी पोस्ट नहीं किया, वो बस रेगुलर रेगुलर चल रहा था. मुझे था कि
right
सरप्राइज देंगे सबको, एकदम से धमाका करने वाली हूँ.
you did
और
that
परमिशन भी एक्चुअली 3rd को मिली थी शाम को, तो
third evening,
इवनिंग में.
fourth was the
okay
wedding.
So
okay so who I mean
मतलब overnight.
I don't need to ask anymore that is it a love marriage or not because I know it is a love marriage. So next question would be lockdown में शादी करके लग कैसा रहा है? I mean, what was the whole idea? You could have postponed it
Oh,
कि
Uh,
बहुत सारा काम है.
मेरा आइडिया तो ये था कि मैं थक चुका था अकेले काम करते करते.
oh,
Because he's
okay.
quarantining alone. I mean, he was earlier.
He was till a few days back.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So, I mean, that's just a banter, but yeah, we were supposed to get married on the 15th anyways.
And I
And
got disheartened because we didn't.
and शिवानी के जो पंडित जी हैं उन्होंने कहा कि आप अगर करोगे नहीं अभी तो इसके
बाद
बाद में मुहूर्त
में
आप नवंबर में, तो नवंबर
between.
would
Sorry, I got a call. Please continue.
so November would have been, a really big gap. तो फिर
Yeah.
करना तो था ही.
And then you'd have to quarantine all alone, isolation, and must now all negative thoughts must be coming then कि आ ही जाती शादी हो जाती.
uh, Not really because I work mostly I work from the studio. I'm a
Okay.
music producer,
Okay.
so
Nice.
I I am usually uh, quarantined anyways.
Okay.
I stay in my
You
studio
like,
and I
yeah.
yeah. So I'm working mostly 12 hours, 14 hours in the studio.
Okay.
I have absolutely no social life.
but not for me.
You
मतलब मुझे
guys
तो बहुत
seem a
problem
little, yeah, you guys seem a little different in that way.
yeah. तो
Yeah.
So, yeah,
But
yeah, continue. Yes, 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 keep saying.
but of course, we were supposed to get married anyways.
Right,
So if that did not happen, then probably we would have been trying for November.
right,
And
but then we got the permission,
you
right?
don't know what the situation's going to be like. We're trying to stay
exactly.
positive though, but the current situation is, it doesn't give like a picture as to what's going to happen. I thought probably this is the right time.
Calling me, somebody now. Sorry, yeah, please.
So that's
23.
20,
Yes.
Yeah.
23. Yeah.
I'm so
So
sorry. I have been getting some
that's the
calls
whole
in between,
quarantine
and
effect.
I had to put that on hold. Yeah.
I think there's some network issues from your end.
No, no, no. Somebody has been calling me, and I'm trying not to get those calls again. That's it. Yeah, you were saying.
Okay.
So yeah, that's I think about it. I spoke to Shivani's parents and I asked them about how they feel
Yeah, how did you
about the
convince
situation.
them? How did you
They were like,
convince
take her,
them?
take her, take her,
So
take her. We
no,
don't need her anymore. Take her.
So who all were there? Who all were present when your
So
ceremony?
my mom and dad, bhai, I have an elder brother,
Yeah.
bhai, mama, mami, pandit ji, and my cousins,
And
two
rest of the
cousins.
people were, I guess, on video calls, if I'm not wrong.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So Vikram,
so
no, there was one more
and
person,
one
Vikram's
one of my
cousins.
cousins.
Okay. So your family doesn't live here, Vikram?
I have my mother living with
Okay.
me here,
Okay.
but I uh, uh, I told her to go to Chittor. There's a Masi's hotel in Chittor.
Okay.
So and I thought it's a safe place for her to be at this
So how did
time.
you make it possible? How did you make all the arrangements? I mean, at this point of time when obviously half of the places are shut and you must not be getting everything that you require. So how was that process for you both?
So I think the most important thing was to get everything in written, which was the major part of the
The
wedding.
permission.
And somebody told me that you'll get it from the collector, from DM's office. Somebody was saying that you'll get it from the ADM. So the permission we got from SDM stated that you have to adhere to the
Your
guidelines
voice is breaking a little
when
bit. Your
it
voice
comes
is
to the
breaking a little.
and
Vikram.
can you hear me now?
Your voice was breaking, Vikram, at that point. What you said.
Is it better now?
Yeah, it's better.
Is it better now? Yeah.
Yes, yes,
So
yes.
we got the permission from SDM stating that you have to adhere to guidelines, and you know, basically you have to do everything lawfully in the bounds of law.
Okay.
So that was one of the most important things. Even if there's a lockdown, and on the 4th, I think there were new guidelines which stated people getting married with a gathering of 50 people maximum.
Yeah, right.
But we decided to even, do it with a like a minimum, whatever we could do, whatever people, whosoever was here in the city, and probably lesser than 10 people are okay. So,
Oh,
and we took care of everything. We were very fast.
I can't. Yeah, now we are connected. I think there was some network issue. Yes. Hello. Sorry, guys, there was some network issue and I had to go back and leave the video in between. Can I get Shivani? Shivani, are you there? Yeah. Now it's not gonna happen again. I'm so sorry. अब आवाज आ रही
It's
है? Can you
okay.
hear me?
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
Yes. So where were
So,
we? You were telling me
so
about the arrangements. Yes.
that was one thing, getting the permission, and then I spoke to Shivani's father. He seemed initially he said probably we should wait and have a grand wedding, like a proper wedding,
Yeah.
because he
Yeah.
said हमारे तो बहुत टाइम बाद में शादी हो रही है
And
तो
also, I'm the pampered one in the family, of course, right?
I
so
can understand.
and I could also understand his point of view. So I said, if you would like to do it like that, I am I'm with you on it. पर उसके बाद में जैसे जैसे सिचुएशन बदलती गई लॉकडाउन में भी और चीज़ें बदलती गई और ऐसा लग भी रहा था कि लॉकडाउन अगर खुलेगा तो भी बहुत पार्शियल खुलने वाला है ऐसे एकदम से ऐसा नहीं
Right.
होगा एकदम सब नॉर्मल हो गया
Exactly.
so that gave us a feeling that 15th को नहीं हुई अब अगर 4th को नहीं होगी तो फिर अगर और ज़्यादा लंबा टाइम वेट करना पड़ेगा तो फिर कोई पॉइंट नहीं बनता था
मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि बहुत
You
मेंटली एग्जॉस्टिंग हो गया था मतलब
you
क्योंकि
guys
15
badly wanted to get married and this
हाँ
scenario was just not, yeah, we were just not
it
sure what's
मतलब
it
gonna
it
was
was
happen.
just but then
I think there came a point where we were so uh, a little depressed about the whole thing that
because
probably
15th was supposed to be my day, it was my wedding day, but then it didn't happen and I was like kind
So
of sad.
you must have had all those outfit preps and all done, Shivani.
yeah.
Yes. Okay, so I
So
got like 2 lehengas which are still at the store. Which I hope
I
I will
feel
use
you,
them later.
man. Yeah, you totally
So
must.
आई थिंक पूरी शादी शॉपिंग में से मेरे पास अगर अभी हम देखें तो हमारे पास सिर्फ हमारी रिंग्स थी और कुछ भी नहीं था because I thought from 30th onwards I'll take a leave from office and then I'm going to start shopping and I'm going to start planning
Uh,
everything but then
yeah.
it just got fucked up and then you were like okay fine.
So this date was decided by you both, or it was just that you got the permission and you did it? Kaise?
No.
so this was one of the auspicious days according to the Pandit, and
Okay.
and because he said that 4th is another day, which uh, could be one of the days for your wedding. So I
Okay.
had applied for it,
Hmm.
and I was constantly doing the follow up,
Okay.
and
So you did a lot of hard work, man. This man has done a lot of hard work, Shivani.
he I yeah thank you but then he got me
No.
right.
Right. Absolutely. It's a win-win situation.
Yeah.
yeah,
So,
it wasn't just me; it was my
yeah.
family too.
Yeah.
They were also connecting with a lot of
Excited.
people.
Yeah.
So, so it wasn't just my effort. I would say it was like a collective effort.
Obviously, I mean, it has to be collective. That is how you got all the good vibes and you could
Yeah,
do it, man.
yeah.
So my next question would be for you, Shivani. Every girl dreams of, a wedding, fairy tale wedding and all. So what was your mental situation? What were you thinking? And I mean, yeah, I think you got my point.
या आई थिंक जो 15th वाली डेट थी उसके लिए आई वाज ऑल प्रिपेयर्ड, नॉट ऑल प्रिपेयर्ड, but then I bought my lehenga. I was so excited. I was like, yeah, it's happening. We booked the we even booked our venues, and
I'm
then I
sure.
was really excited, but then the lockdown happened, and then I was like, okay, this is not happening any which way now. There was no way. 15th को तो लगा ही नहीं कि हो जाएगा कैसे भी, क्योंकि लॉकडाउन नहीं खुलने वाला था. फिर डिसाइड किया कि नहीं ठीक है, एक छोटा सा इंटीमेट सेरेमनी करके और ऐसा कुछ कर सकते हैं अगर. तो नेक्स्ट डेट हमारे पास जो थी वो 4th थी, तो हमने सोचा कि 4th को कुछ कर लेते हैं, एटलीस्ट विल बी टुगेदर, यू नो. मुझे नहीं लगने वाला टाइम फिर दोबारा मिलने वाला है.
Obviously.
हाँ.
That's
So I
very
think
true.
I
Very
think
practical
the
decision, I
past,
think
the
both of you have taken. Very practical decision according to the whole scenario.
yeah, I mean there were two options. One was to wait for the grand wedding and then not
Wait
be
for it.
together.
Wait for it. Wait
So
for the
yeah,
grand wedding.
so I think the second one made complete sense. That
या मतलब इतना अच्छा है ना, आपको टाइम स्पेंड करने को ये वाला नहीं मिलेगा दोबारा, क्योंकि बार बार
Right.
लॉकडाउन और क्वारंटाइन कोई नहीं होने वाला है.
Right. How
I'm
does it
hoping that.
feel now that you guys are married? How does it feel? Are you happy with how it went? I mean, the whole process? Because I'm sure it
I
must be
was very
tiring. Yeah.
excited.
Yeah.
So, when people talk about these weddings and the events and dance ceremonies and everything, I had obviously attended a lot of weddings and I know how it's like. So when we went through that experience of a very simple wedding, we both had the same opinion that it's probably so relaxing and comforting that when we got back home, we were so fresh and not even tired.
Yeah.
And I don't know.
Yeah.
I did not miss anything. I would
Yeah.
say that I didn't miss anything because eventually you just want to live together a married life, and that objective was completed.
Completed,
Right?
yeah.
So lockdown mein shadi. I mean, like if we talk about it in general, not you two. But if two people have got married during the lockdown, what should it be like? I mean, did you have any thoughts in your head? How will it happen? कैसे होगा? कुछ complications? Anything? Any sort of that?
I think complications तो वही थे जब परमिशन लेने वाला वो पूरा सिनेरियो था.
सबसे complicated.
सबसे
But your
complicated
parents
वही था.
were cool. Your parents were all cool about it, right?
हाँ, they were fine because he was doing it, so we were fine. So I mean, सारी मेहनत अगर किसी ने की है, this man I have.
He totally
और
deserves all the pats on his back. Yeah.
he does. But
Yeah.
उसके अलावा I don't think कि कोई complications हुए. We had a पंडित जिसने हमारी शादी कराई, और आउटफिट के नाम पे मेरे पास साड़ी थी मम्मा की.
You couldn't get your lehenga, right? हाँ.
या तो ठीक है, मैनेज हो गया था, लेकिन और तो कुछ नहीं हुआ ना, ऐसा कुछ कॉम्प्लिकेशंस तो और कुछ नहीं थे.
And what did you do for your parlor salon visits?
Nothing.
There were none.
Nothing.
Nothing.
I did my mehndi, see.
That's
You did it
nice, yeah.
yourself.
I mean,
I did it.
maybe it was supposed to happen this way for you guys.
I think मुझे तो बहुत मजा आया. मतलब मैंने जो पूरी प्लानिंग की थी कि नहीं इतने सारे लोग आएंगे मेहंदी पे, इतने सारे लोग आएंगे, इतने सारे लोगों की मेरे साथ में मेहंदी लगने वाली है, मेरे सारे दोस्तों की मेहंदी लगेगी, देन माय कजिन्स, माय फैमिली. फिर उसके बाद जब मैं उस दिन रात को मेहंदी लगा के मम्मी आपके भी लगा देती हूँ. And then I did my mother's mehendi too, and it was really sweet. I mean, I enjoyed it. और फिर नेक्स्ट डे जब हमारे शादी स्टार्टिंग थी उससे पहले, जब हम सिर्फ मम्मा और हम लोग सब घर पे थे, तो पंडित जी घर पे ही थे, और फिर तब उस टाइम मेरी मेहंदी के ऊपर ही हल्दी कर दी सबने. So it was fun.
I think
Nice.
there's one more very important thing that we miss out on is the finances. You know,
Yeah.
the kind of expenditure it involves, every wedding involves, is
Right.
huge. If you come to
Crazy.
Right,
Just
absolutely.
huge.
They are
I
never
have-
ending, man. You want
Yeah.
all your outfits, you want the best venue,
Yeah.
you want to do decor the best way, all of
Yeah.
that. So you got
So
saved from that.
we got saved, yeah, of course, and now you can probably use that money for
For a
your
trip,
essentials.
maybe. For a trip, maybe. Once this
Not
lockdown
right
gets
now.
over. Not,
I mean,
Whenever
obviously
that is
not right
possible.
now.
Whenever it is possible, yeah. So probably you can, save that for your trip. Probably you can save it for any of your investments. So I think that probably made sense.
That made sense to both of you, right? That is how you came on to a decision. I mean, what if one of you wasn't convinced? It's obviously very much possible that one person doesn't agree with the other, but you guys did.
Yeah, I was always of the opinion that a wedding should not be so complicated. I like simple things, um, and it it did not take a lot of time for us to get married, which
Even
was
Yeah.
really funny.
2 hours.
It just took
2
us
hours. I think.
2.5.
2.5. Yeah.
So chill, you just sat and yeah,
Yeah.
Pandit ji is saying all that. You
Yeah.
are like, okay, cool, do it, and you're
Yeah.
बहुत
done.
जल्दी. It was really quick.
That's nice.
And it's not like we did not get that feeling that we're getting married.
Yeah.
It wasn't like that because all the rituals were being followed. Just that there
Yeah,
weren't
so
a lot
that's
of
People. Yeah. There were a lot of people, but then I think we did
But
everything.
did you miss your
Fere और वो सब
friends? Did you miss your friends or some of those people who could not attend the
कुछ. I
wedding?
did.
I think
He's
yeah,
okay,
that could.
but I didn't.
I think that would have been
Yeah.
fun too.
Yeah.
But
So
then,
are you guys? Yeah. Please say.
but then that is the sacrifice that we had to make.
Right.
But we do plan to have a like a get together
I was
soon.
gonna ask that. I was just gonna ask that. Are you planning a one party
We are.
once these
We
things
are.
are better? Yeah.
Yes, if there is a permission and it falls within the guidelines, we will have
I hope
probably a
I'll be
reception.
invited too.
Of course.
You will be.
But I'm so happy to see you guys together, married. And Shivani, how does it
You.
feel? You were telling me that you were still not used to of calling him as a husband. So वो एक
Okay, so I
वो
think when I asked you to send me the questions, right? So I read this word husband and I was like, shit, is this not real? I told him and I was like, oh
dude,
my god.
I've been married for more than 1 year, and I still don't have that feeling to call him a husband. And I'm now trying to save his contact as husband so that in my subconscious I
get
can
the
say yeah,
feeling.
yeah. Otherwise, it's all the same. So what about you
I
guys in
know.
that way?
I think it will take some time to sink in.
Yeah,
For me, I
yeah,
think it'll take a
right.
lot of time.
It's
Because
okay,
I'm so
no,
used
it's
to
nice.
coming
Yeah.
because I'm used to coming at this place, coming to this place, and I always
You're
feel like home
familiar.
है.
You're
Yeah,
familiar
very
with the
familiar. So
whole
I don't feel. अभी भी मुझे ऐसा नहीं लग रहा है कि नहीं मेरी शादी हो गई ऐसा लग रहा है कि ठीक है मैं तो आती हूँ यहाँ पे
chill कर
it's all the same
chill
right
करने आ गए, time pass करने आ गए.
like we are quarantining together
Yeah,
that's it.
yeah.
But then we got
Anything
leave
else?
we took the
Anything?
permission to quarantine
Yeah.
together
I
Anything
think
else? Yeah. Say.
the challenge that we're going to face is that since there is no uh, help from there's no domestic help right now, so we have to do a lot of things
So you guys have to, right?
for the household things. So it's like splitting up things. Who's gonna do what?
Yeah,
So
yeah.
like if you're cooking, then I'm cleaning. I'm doing the dishes, and I'm cleaning the house. doing the
Oh,
rest of the work. So I think, yeah, but that bit, probably that is also a sweet part of being together, and probably we are going to experience the thing that we would have not experienced in a normal situation.
Yes.
exactly.
Like
It's
I would give
you're gonna
you.
remember it all your life, man. It's gonna be a long, good memory for you all
Yeah.
during the
So what is
quarantine.
interesting is that I'll just give you like a small tour of the.
Sure. Are you there? I think your network is lost. I'll try to add Shivani again. Wait, guys.
Hi.
Yes.
Sorry, got disconnected.
It's okay, it's okay, it's
Yeah.
okay. Yeah.
So
You were telling something. Yeah.
yeah, I was saying that looking at the weather right now, and this is our flat. This is how it
Nice.
looks like. So
I think I know from my
we
sources where do you live.
Sorry.
I think I know from my sources where do you guys live.
Where?
Okay, we'll talk about that later.
Okay.
so I was just saying that
Yeah.
it's really a good experience. At this point in time, you usually have the scorching heat,
Hmm.
I mean,
and
it's almost May. I mean, it's
and it's amazing how the weather is right now.
Yeah, right. Weather actually, it's May and it's not that hot. It's nice, it's
Yeah,
pleasant. Perfect for the lockdown wedding.
yeah.
yes.
I think we
Groceries
had some
become
questions too.
yeah,
Would you like to? I mean, let me check.
Sure,
yeah.
sure, sure.
How long
But
had
I
you
think
guys been dating?
sorry.
How long had
We've
you
been
guys been
dating since
dating?
1.5 2 years.
We started dating in October 2018.
Yeah.
So it's almost 1.5.
Nice, nice. And somebody is asking, my Masi is asking actually, what is your contribution, Vikram, in household work? I think you answered that already, but
I,
if you could
I,
repeat that.
I, yeah, I try to do most of the things though, because when I was alone, I was doing everything on
You were doing everything,
emails.
yeah.
So, and I have been, you know, very independent since I graduated. So I hail from Jodhpur. I
Okay.
went to Delhi right after my college.
Hmm.
So I've been pretty much on my own. So I know how to
Great.
take care of the household.
So,
Am I the lucky
Shivani,
one or am I the lucky one?
Shivani, Neha is saying to you something. You saved so much money, spend it on your honeymoon as and when it happens. That's Neha.
Sure,
We
Neha.
spoke.
Sure, absolutely we will. एक बार लॉकडाउन और सब कुछ खत्म हो जाए, hopefully. I think
Rest,
एक बार चीजें
everybody is
normal होने लग जाएंगी.
congratulating you. That's
Thank you
all.
Thank
everyone.
you so much.
I think date decided थी या अभी plan की. Someone's asking this. डेट
Yeah.
डिसाइडेड
ये वाली डेट
ये डिसाइडेड नहीं थी डेट, एक्चुअली डेट थी 15th, बट वी हैड दिस अनदर डेट
Okay.
एंड देन 4th of May टू, मतलब डेट तो हमारे पास थी, पर हम लोगों ने सोचा नहीं था कि हम 4th को करेंगे, क्योंकि हम लोगों ने 15th को सारी प्लानिंग कर रखी थी. तो
Who fell in love
decided.
first? Somebody has asked.
Okay,
I think that would be me.
And everybody is
I
saying
think
that
that was
we.
both of
Yeah, both of you.
But,
Obviously, yeah, it can't be.
I think the interesting part is Shivani asked me if I want to get married.
yes, okay, yes, I asked him.
Okay, that's
It
nice.
was a prank, but then
Oh, was it?
My Masi is saying you're a lucky girl.
thank you.
And we want party.
Sure.
Party is due, for sure.
अब पार्टी
It
का
was-
भंडारा होगा.
So, guys, it was very much fun talking to you both. I'm glad
Thank you.
we could connect. And God bless you both. Hope to see you both soon. And
Thank you
yeah,
so much.
let's stay in touch. And all the best for your
Sure.
life.
Thank you so much.
Okay,
Let's
bye-bye.
stay safe.
Just a minute. Could you guys share how did you all meet? Somebody has just asked. So let's keep it as the
So
last
this is my
answer and then we
sister-in-law.
can end. It was what?
Yeah, that's my sister-in-law.
Oh, nice. Okay.
So,
Okay.
so
The honest one.
like I told you, I have a recording studio.
Yeah.
I was
I think there's some
I
network
happened
issue on
to-
your end.
Can you hear us
Can
now?
Yeah.
So I was looking for an artist to do some wall art for the studio.
Okay.
And I happened to come across Shivani's
Instagram profile.
profile.
He
where
approached me on Instagram
so,
profile.
so on Instagram, I texted if she could do the wall art for my studio, and that's how we connected. Then we started talking about a lot of things. She is also an artist. She paints.
Yeah, she is. Yeah, right. She does amazing work. I have seen her work.
Thank you so much.
So it was the artist connection, I think.
But by the way, the wall paint never happened. It never happened.
And
Oh,
yes,
irony.
it never happened.
Why?
Because even now she wants to get paid for everything.
That's right. I know.
She's
I'm an artist, right? I'm not gonna work.
right. Yeah, right. I am totally on your side. I'm totally on your side in that part.
So that's how we met.
आपको ये my mom is asking you liked this process of wedding more or the traditional method you would have preferred? I mean, what would you, if given the choice between the
this
two?
one.
If you ask me, I would say I would definitely choose
This
this
one.
one.
Same.
I don't know. Yeah.
I'm glad you took this decision. There's no regret about it. So you are totally
Yeah.
positive, and I think that makes all the difference.
Yeah, absolutely. Though we had a lot of people connected through the phone, I'm sure it's not the same experience. But for us, if you come to think of it, it was
For
really
both
very
of you,
comfortable.
yeah. For both of you, it must be a really nice and small and cozy gathering, and just
Yeah,
all
very
the
personal.
yeah. That's nice. That's nice. Yes. So let's end it now. I hope no more
Alright.
questions. Yeah, no more questions. See you guys again soon. Shivani, bye. Bye, Vikram.
Bye bye.
Take care.
Thank you so much.
Bye.
Bye bye.